ABT presents A1 Level Conversations.
The book, the table, and the keys.
Hello, everyone. I have a story for you today. It is a true story. It is about a book, a table, and a set of keys. This is my friend Maria. Maria is a student. She lives in a small apartment. Her apartment is very cozy. In her apartment, there is a big wooden table. It is the main table in the living room. It is a very special table. Why? Because it is the table from her grandmother's house. Her grandmother's name is Elena. Elena is a famous writer. On the table, there is always a book. It is the book Maria is reading right now. The book is about adventure. It is an exciting book. But this is not her book. It is a gift from her grandmother. It is the book Elena wrote many years ago. It is a very important book to Maria. Every morning, Maria sits at the table. She drinks a cup of tea. She reads the book her grandmother wrote. One day, Maria has an idea. She takes the keys from the table. She puts them in her bag, and she goes to the studio. Maria sits at a desk in the studio. Then she begins to write her own story. The story is about a girl and her grandmother. The book on her grandmother's table, and the keys are now her inspiration. So the book is a gift, the table is a memory, and the keys are for a new beginning. They are all connected.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our website or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.